Oba of Benin to withdraw suit as Okpebholo restores rights. In a significant development in the ongoing legal dispute, the Oba of Benin, one of Nigeria's most prominent traditional rulers, has announced his intention to withdraw a lawsuit against a former palace chief, Okpebholo, following the restoration of his rights. The announcement marks a turning point in a long-running legal battle that has captured the attention of both local and national media. The decision to resolve the issue amicably has been hailed as a positive step for the Benin Kingdom, reflecting a commitment to preserving peace and unity within the traditional institution. The dispute between the Oba of Benin and Okpebholo centered around the rights and privileges of the former chief, who had been stripped of his title and status within the palace. Okpebholo, who had once held a high-ranking position, found himself at odds with the Oba due to allegations of misconduct and an apparent breach of traditional protocols. In response, Okpebholo had taken legal action, challenging the decision to revoke his rights, while the Oba sought to maintain control over the royal institution's governance.